for more than a decade. Ford's 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel has stood as one of the most respected heavy-duty truck engines in North America, renowned for its massive torque, confident towing performance, and long-haul durability. The Power-Stroke has helped establish Ford's Super Duty trucks as true workhorses across construction sites, farms, commercial fleets, and RV campgrounds nationwide. Now, for the 2027 model year, the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke is reportedly receiving its most significant update yet, and according to industry insiders. This is far more than a routine refresh. It is a strategic overhaul aimed at future-proofing Ford's diesel dominance in an increasingly competitive and regulated truck market. From internal component upgrades and airflow improvements to smarter software and enhanced emissions efficiency, the 2027 Power-Stroke could redefine what heavy-duty diesel performance looks like in the late 2020s. Engineers, diesel specialists, and powertrain analysts all agree on one thing: Ford isn't playing defense anymore. It's pushing forward. Let's break down what's changing, why it matters, and how this upgrade could impact towing capability, reliability, fuel economy, and long-term ownership. When Ford introduced the announced 6.7-liter Power-Stroke in 2011, it marked a turning point. After years of outsourced diesel engines, Ford took full control of its heavy-duty powertrain strategy. Key milestones over the years included a compacted graphite iron CGI block for exceptional strength, reverse flow cylinder heads for optimal turbo placement, a single sequential turbocharger design, continuous increases in torque and horsepower with each generation by the mid-2020s. The 6.7-liter Power-Stroke was already delivering massive torque with proven reliability, but engineers knew there was still room to improve, especially in efficiency, responsiveness, and durability under extreme operating conditions. While Ford hasn't publicly disclosed every technical detail, supplier leaks and expert analysis paint a clear picture. The 2027 update focuses heavily on internal refinement rather than outward changes. Stronger internals, smarter engineering. One of the most significant upgrades centers on reinforced internal components. The crankshaft pistons and connecting rods are rumored to receive material enhancements designed to withstand higher cylinder pressures more consistently. As a veteran diesel engine builder explains, when torque levels climb this high, it's not about peak output, it's about fatigue over hundreds of thousands of cycles. Stronger internals mean longevity, not just bragging rights. Ford appears to be prioritizing exactly that. Another major focus is airflow optimization. Engineers are reportedly refining intake runner geometry, exhaust flow paths, and turbocharger response characteristics. The goal is smoother, more complete combustion, especially at low RPMs, where heavy-duty trucks spend most of their working lives. Improved airflow delivers several benefits: faster turbo spool, more consistent torque delivery, lower exhaust gas temperatures, reduced strain on emissions components over time. These changes can significantly improve engine health and durability, rather than simply increasing turbo size. Ford appears to be refining its variable geometry turbo system. The focus is on faster low RPM response, more precise vane control, reduced lag during sudden load changes. This is especially important during towing, where drivers frequently transition between steady cruising and steep grades. As one towing dynamics engineer notes, a smarter turbo makes the truck feel lighter even when it's pulling heavy. Early impressions suggest the 2027 Power-Stroke could feel noticeably more responsive, even if peak numbers don't change dramatically on paper. Torque has always been the Power-Stroke's signature strength for 2027. However, the emphasis isn't just on maximum output, it's on how that torque is delivered. Insiders point to a revised torque curve that offers stronger, lower PM pulls, smoother power buildup, less reliance on high boosts during cruising. The result is a truck that launches confidently, maintains speed on grades with less throttle input, and feels calmer and less stressed under load, benefits that matter to both fleet operators and RV owners. One of the most important but least visible changes for 2027 lies in engine software. Ford is reportedly implementing major updates to fuel injection timing, turbo vane control, emissions after-treatment coordination, thermal management strategies, a calibration specialist explains. Modern diesel engines are software-driven machines. Hardware gets attention, but calibration is where efficiency and reliability are truly won. These updates could translate into improved real-world fuel economy, smoother cold starts, and fewer regeneration events. emissions compliance remains one of diesel's biggest challenges. For 2027, Ford appears to be taking a proactive, integrated approach rather than relying on last-minute fixes. Reported improvements include more efficient EGR operations, smarter DPF regeneration logic, more precise DEF dosing. Diesel technicians note that better emissions management often results in fewer warning lights, less downtime and lower maintenance, frustration critical for work trucks that can't afford to sit idle. While performance numbers grab headlines, reliability is what keeps diesel engines relevant. The 2027 Power Stroke reportedly addresses long-term durability issues identified through years of real-world use, including reduced thermal stress during heavy towing, improved oil flow under sustained loads, more consistent combustion with varying fuel quality, as one fleet maintenance manager puts it. The best diesel engines aren't the loudest on paper. They're the ones that rack up miles without surprises. Compared to its rivals, Ford's strategy appears focused on balanced, usable torque rather than peak torque wars, durability under sustained heavy loads, software-driven efficiency and refinement. Instead of chasing dyno numbers alone, Ford is building an engine that feels strong every day, not just during Spec C comparisons. For everyday buyers, the 2027 Power Stroke could deliver greater towing confidence, smoother drivability, potential fuel economy gains lower, long-term maintenance, stress for fleets. It could mean longer service intervals, reduced downtime, and improved total cost of ownership. And for diesel enthusiasts, it sends a clear message. Diesel is far from dead in the heavy-duty segment. This upgrade isn't about rewriting the rulebook, it's about perfecting it. By focusing on internal strength, airflow efficiency, smarter software, and real-world durability, Ford is ensuring the 6.7-liter Power Stroke remains competitive in an era of rapid change. While electrification dominates headlines, heavy-duty work still demands diesel, and Ford clearly intends to lead that space. If early reports and expert insights are accurate, the 2027 Power Stroke won't just be stronger. It'll be smarter, smoother, and more reliable than ever. And for those who depend on their truck every single day, that kind of upgrade makes all the difference.